In the next video, you will learn how to install your new U-Bolt. Please read the important notes before installing it. First, let's see what's inside the box. We have the exterior assembly, the interior assembly, the bolt, the strike, the mounting plate, 2 backup keys, 4 AA batteries, a screwdriver, the reset needle, and all the screws you will use for the installation. For this step, you need to measure 4 parts of your door, which are thickness. Confirm the door is between 1 5/16 to 2 inches thick. Diameter of the hole. This one should be 2 1/8 inches. The back set is either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. And the last one. Confirm that the diameter of the hole in the door edge is 1 inch. To adjust the bolt, you need to press the bolt, twist and pull it, or twist and push it to the desired length. Then, install the bolt inside the door and make sure that the up icon faces up. Secure the deadbolt using screws C. Then, please install the strike in the door frame. Before installing the exterior assembly, cut the tailpiece using 2 pliers depending on the thickness of your door. To install the exterior assembly, keep the tailpiece horizontal. This one goes through the middle hole, and the cable goes through the hole below the bolt. To install the mounting plate, pass the cable through the bottom hole. The tailpiece goes through the middle one. Then, secure the mounting plate using the screws D. When you are up to the middle of the first screw, start tightening the second one. This way you will have the right installation. After you install the mounting plate, verify that 2 lines of the tailpiece are out of the hole. To install the interior assembly, first you need to remove the battery cover. Then plug the connector of the cable to the socket on the interior assembly. Press the connector firmly, you'll hear a click. After you connect the wire, rotate the knob and keep it in a vertical position to stay unlocked. Put the wire inside the door to have a better installation. Attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate using screws E. To ensure your U-bolt will open and close properly, rotate the knob a couple of times. The bolt should extend and retract smoothly. Then close the door and test it again. The movement should be smooth and the bolt should match the strike in the door frame. This step is crucial for the operation. First, rotate the knob and keep it in a horizontal position to stay locked. The bolt will go out. Insert 4 AA batteries. The red LED light will turn on and you will hear a beep. Then install the battery cover. The first time, any code can unlock the U-Bolt. Just put any code and press the Ultraloq button to unlock. To lock it, press again the Ultraloq button. The bolt should extend and retract smoothly. To use the keys, insert the key and rotate it to unlock, just like any lock. If you forget to lock your U-Bolt, by default, after 30 seconds it will auto-lock. You're all set. To learn more about U-Bolt, please visit u-tec.com. Or if you have any technical questions, email us at support@u-tec.com.